Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, first you will have to open the contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. So as you can see, all the contacts I have here, they are my SIM card. Okay. You tap on the gear icon to access settings of contacts. Then you go to the import export contacts section, import from SIM card. Then you select which contacts you want to import, so let's pick them all. Import. And as you can see, contacts imported from SIM. And now you have these contacts, one from SIM card and the other one on our device, so as you can see. So yeah, now when you remove your SIM card, you will still have these contacts on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.